This is Khasi. Jamming manga.
Come on, touch your body, body. Come on, closer to me, my baby. Come on, let me. Come on, touch your body, body. Come on, closer to me, my baby.
Hey, let's dance. I wish I was there, man. I would have been doing crazy dance. Yo, what's up, everyone? Khasi people, Megalian, Kumno Pilong Paralog. This is your African boy back again, Gabs Gabi, guys. Today we are going to check WANJOP, guys. He's one of my favorite singer from Mar Local Production Music, guys. So he has one new music, latest music by the title Closer. Come closer, okay? Come near. We are going to check it. There we have DBRYN WANJOP, guys, Closer. So make sure put on your earphone. And if you didn't join the African family, kindly subscribe now. Soon I'm coming to Shillong, guys. Very soon. Only after 1 month I'll be in Shillong. So make sure to subscribe here so that you see me with WANJOP, with Wanjop, and all those celebrities out there. So to watch my vlogs also, make sure to stay tuned. Subscribe now, guys. Kindly, I'm requesting. Do it now. And let's go. Okay. Closer. We are not promoting drink or smoking in this music. This is just for entertainment, okay? No drink, no beer, no. Let's go, WANJOP. Hey, that guy, Mr. Shillong. Yes, that's Mr. Shillong. WANJOP is here. Ban ikum mapingan la mudur jing you be jong pi galong jing muting berkat dan shapi beka you make me addicted I can't get enough baby if it's just a dream just wake me up तेरी आवाज का जादू सांसों को भी चुराए तेरी आवाज़ों का जलवा that guy behind is like DJ Ryan also. Come on, let me come on, closer to me, my baby. Yo, come on, let me, come on, touch your body, come on, closer to me, my baby. Let's dance, DBRYN, Ryan, I see you, bro. Come on, let me touch your body. Come on, let me see your face. That's a hit song, man.
Fighting for you through the darkest night. Side by side in every fight. You'll be my world, I'm a moon at night. I'll be your shade, your guiding light. मैं तुझे अपनी रानी बनाऊंगा हर खुशी से तेरा जहां सजाऊंगा सपनों की दुनिया में ले जाऊंगा तेरे संग प्यार का नगमा गाऊंगा नबाला दिपजी यकीन अपने की बाबुन हंग ने असला परते नबाकी मजोंगा खिला मला दोनों लखंग नम्पा शुवे नबाला बुके जगा हकें जोंगा फिलों कमादे कम्पेला राजिंगे गिनवान राली लेहिंgan nom kenran Come on, let me, come on, touch your body, come on, closer to me, my baby.
Just come closer, my baby.
Let me, come on, touch your body, come on, closer to me, my baby.
Yeah. Hey, wait a minute before we start singing this rap. I just want to speak something little bit, man, because this music is just. The guy just changed the game, man. He just changed the game. I really love it. Like, this is really, for us, we used to say it's like this is high shit. We used to say like that, high shit. When something is bigger than expected, bro. This is high shit. Like, this is really one of the best music now I'm watching from Meghalaya, guys. Like, this is so dope, man. This, now, it is not local things. This is not Mar Local, bro. I'm telling you. You are not representing Mar Local now. You are representing Mar Global. So I'm requesting you to change that name from Mar Local to Mar Global, so that I'm joining you, man. I'm joining the team. So we have to change it from Mar Local to Mar Global. It is really global things, man. If someone will be watching Wanju for the first time, he will say like this guy is not an Indian. It's not even from local industry music, man. I'm telling you, bro. You should think about this name, Wanba, Joulan, Wanju. Sit together and change this name to Mar Global. You people are really doing high shit, doing great thing, man. Let's check the rappers. Oh, so it is only him rapping. Kushi, he's speaking Hindi also. This is Khasi. Yummy, manga.
Come on, your body, body. Come on, closer to me, my baby. Come on, let me. Come on, touch your body, body. Come on, closer to me, my baby.
Hey, let's dance. I wish I was there, man. I would have been doing crazy dance. This lady is so beautiful over here. Hey, this music is quality, bro. I'm telling you. Let me touch your body. Come on, closer to me. Let me see your face. Yeah, let's talk about this, man. Yeah, the music is really amazing. Out of 10, I would rate it 9.9. Oh, no, not 9.9, because they will say we round it off, it will be 100. Let it be 9.8, guys, because that two point left, you know what would have made this music like 100% amazing. I just want to ask one question, because this is something I realized in Wanjo. Apart from his talent, like maybe this is a character in him. It's like a kind of a shy, like shy when it comes to action. Because see, this music video, like Wanjo really did so good, singing, the flows, like the vibe. It was 100% everything. Like he sang the song. The song is even beautiful and amazing. I love the song, guys. But if Wanjo will be dancing in this music video, bro, this shit was 100%. Like he was vibing little bit. I can see the vibe. He was vibing. But we want to see some fire things, Wanjo, some craziness there, man. Do something crazy. Closer, that meaning closer, man. Bring that girl closer and dance with them, man. This is what we want to see. It was so beautiful. Like there is nothing negative in this video. But anyway, this is how he chose to make his music video. I love even Wanjo, like the way he's presenting his music video is like it will never make people to sexually think. Like it won't bring the sexual thought in the people. That is what I love. But this kind of a music, if it was to be recorded by African, bro, this is gonna bring some crazy thought there. But anyway, I just love it. I love it, Wanjo. You are doing so great, man. I'm telling you. That's why I'm saying from Mar Local, you should change that name to Mar Global. Who else agree with me? Comment down. Mar Local should be Mar Global, guys. This is really nice music video, watching it and seeing a lot of beautiful faces, a lot of celebrity faces. Like I saw Mr. Shilong was there, DBRYN was there, a lot of celebrities out there. And you just forgot me, guys. I'm so mad. You should have invited me, or at least asked me, Gabs, do some a little part of your team and send to us. I'm also part of you, guys. What the heck? It is nice, guys. I just love the music video. I really love it. This is one of the best music, I'm telling. I'm watching out, not from Wanjo only, but from Meghalaya in general, guys. In general, from Meghalaya, Khasi Song. This is one of the best music I'm listening. And the flow was nice. Wanjo, you are doing great, bro. Make sure to like this video. What do you think about it, guys? Mar Global to the world. It's not Mar Local anymore. Because, come on, closer. Come on, let me touch your body. No, don't touch your body, okay? We are not promoting alcohol. We are not promoting smoking. We are not promoting sexual desire or sexual thought. This is just entertainment. Just know that. That is it, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Don't forget. Subscribe, guys. Do it now and see you soon. Ambakla.